Hi students, today we are going to study about multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then product is a into c by b by d, b into d, a into c by b into d. That is a by b into c by d is equal to a into c by b into d. Product of numerator into product of denominator. Okay. First question. 8 into minus 3 by 4. Look children, this is a number. What is the denominator of 8? Yes, 8 by 1. Okay, into minus 3 by 4. Then product of numerator 8 into minus 3 divided by 1 into 4. That is minus 24 divided by 4 is equal to minus 6. Clear? This divide 24 by 4. 6 4s are 24. This symbol is negative. So negative 6. 8 into minus 3 by 4 is equal to 8 into negative 3 by 1 into 4. That is negative 24 by 4 is equal to negative 6. Clear? Okay. Next question. Second question, minus 17 into 5 by 34 is equal to minus 17 into 5 by 34. That is 34. Here we can simplify. 2 17 34. That is negative 5 by 2. Okay, clear? Negative 5 by 34. This has denominator has negative 17 by 1. Okay, you can write or not. Negative 17 numerator. This is numerator. Negative 17 into 5 by 1 into 34. We can cut. 17 into 2 is equal to 34. Negative 5 by 2. You don't know the simplification, then you can multiply negative 17 into 5 and then divided by 34. Clear? Next, 3 by 4 into 5 by 7. That is 3 into 5 by 4 into 7. Multiply the numerator by multiplication of denominator. 15. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 7, 28. Okay. Next. Fourth question. 5 by 2 into 50 by 60. 5 into 15 by 2 into 60. 5 into 15, we can here simplify. No. 5 into 15 is equal to 75. 2 into 16 is equal to 32. Okay. Next question. Minus 3 by 5 into 4 by 11. Minus 3 into 4 by 5 into 11. That is negative 12 by 55. Please do it in your notebook. And homework is page number 44 and 44. Page number 45, exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. We already done 5 questions. Next homework homework are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Just multiply and if you want then simplify. Okay. Multiply the numerator by multiplication of denominator. Clear? Next, reciprocal of a number. Number is 1 by 4. Then reciprocal is 4 by 1. That is, change the numerator into denominator. Change this one. And also, one number and its reciprocal, we multiply, the result is 1. Okay. Reciprocal of 2 is equal to, here denominator is 1. Then numerator, we can change. Reciprocal means change the numerator and denominator. 1 by 2. Reciprocal is 1 by 2. 3 by 4. Then reciprocal is 4 by 3. Okay. Change the numerator and denominator. We already learned in the previous chapter. Fractions. Reciprocal we already learned. This we need to. Next, division of rational numbers. That is A by B divided by C by D. Next, in the previous session we already learned reciprocal. Okay. Then here we want the reciprocal. So I discuss that reciprocal. Here A by B into reciprocal of, we find the reciprocal of C by D and multiply into D by C. Clear? We find the reciprocal of C by D, that is D by C, and then this division change to multiplication. Clear? Then A into D by B into C. This is the division of rational numbers. A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C is equal to A into D by B into C. Find the reciprocal of C by D, that is D by C. Then multiply A into D by B into C. Divided by 3 by. You must write in your notebook this. Okay. 18 divided by 3 by 2. Then 18 into, same. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Clear? Okay. Yes. 18 then multiply into numerator and then denominator. 18's denominator is 1. 18 into 2 by 3. That is 36 by 3. That is 12. Okay. Right, you must write in your notebook. You write this division of rational numbers. Okay. Next question. Negative 7 by 9 divided by minus 21 by 26. We find the reciprocal of minus 21 by 26. What is the reciprocal of minus 21 by 26? Yes, 26 by 21. Then minus 7 by 9 into 26 by minus 21. Then we multiply the numerator by denominator. Okay, clear? 9 into minus 21. Here we can cut. That is, we can simplify. 1 7s are 3 7s are 21. Clear? Then this negative also cut. Then 26 by 27. Clear? This minus 7 and minus 21 we cut. Then 3. Both are negative. Then divided. Then positive. Clear? Then result is 26 by 27. Next question. You must write in your notebook. Okay. Next question. 3 by 11 divided by minus 21 by 22. We find the reciprocal of negative 21 by 22. That is 22 by negative 21. 3 by 11 into 22 by negative 21. 3 into, next we multiply the numerator, 3 into 22 divided by 11 into minus 21. 2 11s are 22. Negative 7 3s are 21. 2 by negative 7. This is answer. If you don't understand the simplification, then you can multiply 3 into 22, 66. Then negative 21 by negative 21 into 11. Negative 231. Then you can divide or cut. That is, this is very simple. You can cut. Now you are in 7th standard. Then you can simplify here. The 3 and 21. Then you know 7 3s are 21, and also 11 and 22. 2 2s are 20. 2 11s are 22. Okay. Next question. 8 by 9 divided by minus 18 by 16. Then first we find the reciprocal of negative 18 by 16. 8 by 9 into 16 by negative 18. Then 8 into 16 by 9 into negative 18. Okay. Then 9 here 8. 9 2 cut this one 2. Then 9 2s are 18, 8 2s are 60. Then 8 into 8, 64. 9 into negative 9, negative 81. Okay, this is the answer. Students, page number 46, exercise 3.7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are homework. These are homework. We already given, is already given multiplication homework and also division. Look children, practice makes perfect. You must do homework. Otherwise, we cannot study maths. Okay. If you have any doubt, please call me or WhatsApp me. Thank you, students.